So basically anyone of you, if you have ever run a business, you know the pain of business administration. And there's a lot of components related to that. There's calculating value-added tax, there's managing bookkeeping, there's sending invoices, there's tracking who has paid and who has not. And basically this is something that we aim to fix with Holvi. And this also, with the recent study, showed that this actually takes 6.7 hours a week from small business owners managing their business. And that's almost a working day. Doesn't make any sense. So let's take an example of why we chose banking to solve this problem. So if you go and buy envelopes from HEMA, apparently a local store, cool looking envelopes, this is basically the stuff you get for your online bank. You just have the amount there, $3.99. But as a business owner, you actually need quite a lot more to actually file this to your bookkeeping. So we've taken the approach that we actually add data on top of this transaction, on top of Holvi current account. So for example, we automatically add this purchase to your contact list. You can use your Holvi MasterCard and take a photo of the receipt and add it as an attachment right away after you've done the purchase. You categorize it to the right bookkeeping account right away. And also we track the amount of value-added taxes, which is critical to all the business owners because they need to know how much VAT they have paid and how much VAT they own for the tax authorities. So this leads us to Holvi and the product. So it's a business current account with its own Holvi MasterCard. And the main thing in the account is that we do paperless bookkeeping automatically in the background using the technique I showed you in the previous slide. And on top of that, we've added apps to the account. So there's a built-in online store, so basically you can start to sell with your Holvi account from the day one. It has its own shop front, it has all the payment methods included. There's an invoicing system, so basically you can send invoices from the account, and of course, since it's integrated to your Holvi current account, you can see in real time who has paid and which invoices are overdue. There's a possibility to manage expense claims, and we've also integrated Dropbox right directly to the account, so basically you can export your whole bookkeeping, all the attachments, all the invoices in one data dump to your Dropbox and share that with your accountant. Or of course you can share the whole account with your accountant if you need to. And we track of course customer satisfaction through our customer service, and this number shows that we are on the right direction. Who is this for? So basically Holvi is built for the 40 million people in Europe that work in small businesses or as freelancers. And this is a segment that is actually growing extremely fast. Freelancers is the fastest growing employment segment in the European Union. And micro businesses, so businesses with employees from 1 to 10 people, they create almost all the new jobs in the European Union. So this is a significant segment that really requires new solutions. And we've built everything in-house with our team. We've built the technology, we've got the regulation from FinFSA, we've built the UI, we've built the UX, and we've built the marketing and the brand. And this is our team. So with this small team, we've done everything, and we are doing extremely well. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Mikko. So you only needed 5 minutes, so that's great. Any questions, gentlemen?
How many active clients do you have?
We haven't disclosed those numbers, but thanks for the question.
How many active clients do you have?
Okay. Keep at it.
Forget about that.
But maybe I could mention that we're operational in Finland and Germany and Austria at the moment.
And what is your business model? How you earn money?
Yes, our business model is transaction-based, so basically we take a small cut of every transaction. And at the moment, we are actually looking into switching that to subscription-based model.
If I understand, currently you have kind of your own bank accounts. Do you have plans to work together with banks, kind of to provide an offering that links to the bank's bank accounts?
Excuse me? We have our own current accounts. Could you repeat the end part of the question?
Yeah, you have your own your own accounts behind.
Yes.
So do you plan to kind of open that up for banks to bring in their own accounts?
No. We continue with our own.
In which countries are you present, and what are your plans to expand in other EU countries?
Yes, so we are operational in Finland, Germany, and Austria, and we are looking at the other big European markets at the moment. So we plan to expand geographically also within Europe. And Europe being the market because the regulation basically here allows us to operate freely in other countries as well.
How different is your product from country to country?
We aim to offer the same service in all the countries, but we do localization mainly by language.
In terms of business, what revenue you expect?
Excuse me?
What revenues you are expecting?
That's a good question. I can answer that in the future.
I mean, maybe we need to just add that Holvi was sold to BBVA recently,
yes.
So that might explain some of the answers that Mikko is giving at the moment, which is public anyway.
Yep.
So. Thank you very much.
Thank you.